If you want to make your Google Slides mobile friendly, changing the orientation to vertical is a game changer. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make Google Slides vertical and adjust the aspect ratio for mobile viewing. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Slides website. Make sure you're signed into your Google account since all your presentations are stored there and can be accessed anytime. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. This is where all your presentations are displayed. You can either start with a blank presentation or choose a template if you want a head start with some design inspiration. Once your presentation is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Page Setup. A new window will pop up showing different preset aspect ratios like standard or widescreen. To make your slides vertical, click on Custom. This lets you manually set the dimensions for your slides. For a vertical or portrait format that works well on mobile, set the width to 1080 pixels and the height to 1920 pixels. These dimensions match standard vertical video formats and make your slides look great on smartphones. After entering your custom dimensions, click Apply. Your slides will instantly switch to vertical format, and all content will adjust to fit the new aspect ratio. This makes your presentation much more mobile friendly and visually appealing when viewed on smaller screens. And that's it. Your Google Slides presentation is now vertical and optimized for mobile viewing. Remember to save your work, and you can revisit these steps anytime to tweak the dimensions or make further adjustments. Thanks for following along. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy presenting!